Hi, we're Steve and Naz, and we're digital nomads. We've put a pause on converting our own van to travel to South Africa. Join us to explore this beautiful country in this series that we call Welcome to Africa.
We arrived at the Aquila Game Reserve. And welcome to our bedroom. Window, a little table here. Every hotel room will have a safe. This is still like a hotel room, but you see animals. This mirror is very African. They like weaving pretty much. Steven, do you think this is included? The bathroom, box for the shower, beautiful mirror, sink. I think we are going for a safari soon. Thank you for following us around. Almost arrived too late for the safari. We have a raincoat that they gave us. Woo! Oh God, it's really bumpy back here.
Wrong way. Oh wow, he's gonna drive down here. Looks like we're stuck.
Yeah, I think we're gonna be stuck here for about 5 minutes. And I already called somebody to come and help us out, just to give us a little push. And then we're gonna be on our way then.
We are stuck, and I'm loving it. Actually, we saw a hippo, and the driver tried to turn so that we could see it, but we just drove into a dip. Oh, nice.
Ah, they're trying to push us. Whoa. Whoa. Imagine us hold on tight,
Yeah.
huh? There we go, we are.
This is a place I would hate to get stuck in. These buffaloes are called Cape buffaloes, and they are extremely aggressive.
Similar to water buffaloes.
And they are responsible for a lot of the dents on the vehicles. The males are very territorial, and also they like eating a lot of things, and they even try their luck with elephants and rhinos and so on. Uh-oh.
Oh, there he comes.
So this is the biggest type of antelope.
Naz,
Yes.
there's some hippos up front.
I hope it doesn't. We are looking at some hippos right now, and they have a little baby. The hippos feed mostly on grass. So sometimes if they find a dead animal, they will eat a little bit of the meat just for extra protein. They can also suck on the bones, and they can do it for about 2 hours just to get some extra minerals.
So there is some rhinos down there. Oh wow, there's rhinos here. Wow, that's a big horn. That is a big horn.
So the black rhinos have black lips, and the white rhinos have white lips. The rhinos with long horns are female, usually have long horns to protect themselves and the babies. The reason why the male has short horns is because they're always fighting, either with each other or because they are fighting for a female. So these ones we just saw, they are white rhinos, and they are not as aggressive as the black rhinos. So the rhino is right now sharpening its horns, and they do it on rocks or trees. And we are actually seeing it right now. This is really cool. Now we're coming up to some zebras. Yay! Oh, what a baby zebra! The tour guide just told us that the zebras will look chubby and healthy even though they are starving or sick.
They get bloated, so they look like they have a fat tummy.
The way to tell if a zebra is sick or not is if the hair on the top of its head and back is leaning down, it means that the zebra might be sick. If it's standing up straight, it means that the zebra is healthy. Each zebra has its own patterns of stripes, and that's how the baby zebra recognizes the mama zebra. I got a Jurassic Park vibe. So there are 2 gates, and it's just for double protection. So once we pass that gate, I believe you will close it too. Well, I was wrong. Well, we just saw a female lion and she wasn't in the zoo. Yay! Steven was telling me that in the Kruger Park, which is another natural reserve, where you go and you drive your own car, many tourists, they get out of the car to film the lions and they never come back. It's coming towards us! I think we just gotta run! That female there, she came pretty close to us, and she seems to be the most active of all of them. Just a reminder that the female are the ones that go on hunt. The male can go, but it's generally the female that goes. I really have mixed feelings about this. Oh, another one! We just found another female. She's right here. It's so beautiful. I don't know if I explained this before, but this is a private nature reserve, which means that the animals, they are kept in here. They are enclosed in this area, but they are still in the wild. So it's not like a zoo. The animals, they are wild. They do hunt and they do live their lives. And this is a really huge area. Just spotted an elephant and we got wet. and we just went through a big puddle, muddy one, and we got muddy all over.
There are veins behind the elephant ears, and they are the most important veins in their bodies. When they flap them like that, they are actually making the blood flow and automatically cooling their bodies down. Elephants can live up to 70 years old. It all depends on their molars. If their molars are gone, they cannot feed any longer, so they basically die of starvation. Younger elephants, they need an older elephant with them to teach them what to eat, where to go, where not to go. In case of the parents being killed by hunters, you have younger elephants turning aggressive because they didn't have a figure of a parent to guide them through life and teach them how to behave. They're so beautiful. Oh my god, that's so beautiful.
They're little ones.
Yeah.
Although I just remember them being big.
Are these ones babies?
We were wondering if these giraffes were babies because they are not like huge. So the tour guide was explaining to us that the giraffes only grow as much as they need. Here, for example, the vegetation is not huge trees, so they don't need to stretch up to eat. It's mostly bushes, right, and grass. And he explained to us that the males, because of the level of testosterone, they look very dark. And the darker the male, the more attractive to the females they look.
It's very bumpy. Yay!
When you sit at the back of the truck, they call it an African massage. And it is literally bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. I was bouncing till the end pretty much.
Even when the car got stuck, it was really fun. The driver was a bit scared that everybody would be cross with him. Adds to the story. It's just fun.
And the fun continues on next week's video as we explore an incredible tiny house in a tiny town in South Africa. And we loved every second of it. See you next week and welcome to Africa.